Joe Harner from Kansas State University, Extension Biological and Agriculture Engineering. Work with a specialty in livestock and grain systems with an emphasis on dairy facilities. Well, one of the key takeaways from our talk today, we're dealing with heifer facilities and some of the pieces that are changing within the heifer industry. There's 5 key changes which are occurring that are impacting the heifer facilities. Number 1 would be sex semen. We go from 47 to 60 to 75% heifers. Therefore, quickly the heifer facility can become overcrowded. Number 2, one of the quickest ways to expand the heifer facility is to utilize data. So utilizing physical data in order to measure weight, and then developing that exit interview. So we have to use the data that we have available to us so we know which animals to cull and exit the herd at a much earlier stage, therefore increasing the overall capacity of the facilities. The third takeaway that I would say is going to be dealing with animal audits. As we see more and more animal audits, some of them are requiring 1 resting space or 1 feed space. Others with a dry lot facility are requiring shade and wind protection. And so those factors are going to increase the cost of our current heifer facilities. The fourth takeaway that I would be focusing on is just the overall factor of what I call dairy linkages, where dairies of all sizes are beginning to link together to develop calf ranches so that they can specialize in the production, the feeding of those calves, and maximize their performance. So when we look at all of these factors together, then the fifth thing is when we start thinking about dairy facilities, is to consider those things that are going to be happening in the future that are going to impact the facilities and overall potentially limit productions if things are not designed properly.